So, biology is a vast field, right? But did you know there are branches that focus on everything from tiny cells to entire ecosystems? First up, we have microbiology, studying the unseen world of bacteria and viruses. Then there's botany, the science of plants and their amazing adaptations. Don't forget zoology, where we explore the behavior and biology of animals. And let's not overlook ecology, which examines how living things interact with their environment. Each branch is like a puzzle piece, helping us understand life on Earth. So, which branch fascinates you the most? Zoology is a fascinating window into the animal kingdom, revealing the intricate behaviors and adaptations that help species survive. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood? They're masters of camouflage, able to change color and texture in an instant. Then there's the axolotl, a salamander that can regenerate lost limbs and even parts of its heart. And let's not forget the incredible migration of monarch butterflies traveling thousands of miles to escape the cold. Each creature tells a story of evolution and resilience, reminding us of the delicate balance of life on Earth.
Zoology is a fascinating field with many branches that explore the animal kingdom. For instance, ethology dives into animal behavior, revealing why creatures act the way they do. Then there's taxonomy, the science of classifying animals, which helps us understand the relationships between species. Don't forget ecology, where we study how animals interact with their environment and each other. And let's not overlook conservation biology, which focuses on protecting endangered species and their habitats. Each branch offers a unique lens through which we can appreciate the complexity of life on Earth. Plants are incredible living organisms, and they play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Did you know that there are over 390,000 plant species on Earth? Each one has its own unique adaptations. For instance, the Venus flytrap has evolved to catch insects for nutrients, while cacti store water to survive in arid deserts. Plants also communicate with each other through chemical signals, warning neighbors of pests. And let's not forget about photosynthesis, the process that transforms sunlight into energy, producing the oxygen we breathe. It's fascinating how these green wonders sustain life and shape our planet.
Botany is a fascinating field with several branches that explore the plant kingdom in depth. For instance, taxonomy classifies plants based on their characteristics, helping us understand their relationships. Then there's ecology, which studies how plants interact with their environment and other organisms. Physiology dives into how plants function, from photosynthesis to nutrient uptake. And let's not forget about ethnobotany, which examines how different cultures use plants for medicine, food, and rituals. Each branch reveals the incredible complexity and importance of plants in our world, showing us that there's so much more to them than meets the eye. Microbiology is like a hidden universe, teeming with life invisible to the naked eye. Did you know that there are more bacteria in a teaspoon of soil than there are people on Earth? These tiny organisms play crucial roles in our ecosystems, from breaking down waste to helping plants absorb nutrients. Some bacteria even produce antibiotics, saving countless lives. But not all microbes are friendly. Pathogens can cause diseases, reminding us of the delicate balance in nature. Understanding microbiology not only helps us combat infections, but also unlocks innovations in medicine and agriculture. It's a fascinating field that reveals just how interconnected life really is.
Microbiology is a vast field with several fascinating branches. Bacteriology focuses on bacteria, studying their roles in health and disease. Virology dives into viruses, exploring how they infect hosts and cause illnesses. Mycology examines fungi, revealing their importance in decomposition and medicine. Then there's parasitology, which investigates parasites and their complex relationships with hosts. Finally, immunology studies the immune system, helping us understand how we fight infections. Each branch plays a crucial role in our understanding of life at the microscopic level, shaping everything from healthcare to environmental science.
Cell biology is like exploring a bustling city at a microscopic level. Imagine each cell as a tiny factory, with organelles working tirelessly to keep everything running smoothly. The nucleus is the control center, housing our DNA, the blueprint of life. Mitochondria are the powerhouses, generating energy to fuel cellular activities. Then we have ribosomes, the protein factories, assembling the building blocks of life. And let's not forget the cell membrane, acting as a security gate, deciding what enters and exits. Every function is a dance of chemistry and biology, showcasing the incredible complexity of life at its most fundamental level. Genetics is like the ultimate blueprint of life, dictating everything from our eye color to our susceptibility to diseases. Did you know that humans share about 99.9% of their DNA with each other? That tiny 0.1% is what makes each of us unique. It's fascinating how genes can influence not just physical traits, but also behaviors and even intelligence. Scientists are now unlocking the secrets of CRISPR technology, allowing us to edit genes with precision. Imagine a future where we can eliminate genetic disorders before birth. But with great power comes great responsibility. How do we navigate the ethical dilemmas of playing with our DNA? It's a thrilling frontier that could redefine what it means to be human.
Genetics is like the blueprint of life, revealing how traits are passed down through generations. One fascinating branch is molecular genetics, where we dive into DNA and RNA, the building blocks of heredity. Imagine tiny molecules coding for everything from eye color to disease susceptibility. Then there's population genetics, which studies how genes vary within populations, helping us understand evolution and adaptation. And let's not forget about epigenetics, where environmental factors can switch genes on or off, showing that our experiences can literally shape our biology. It's a thrilling intersection of science and life, unlocking the mysteries of who we are. Ecology is like the ultimate interconnected web of life. Imagine every plant, animal, and microorganism playing a role in a grand performance. Trees produce oxygen, while fungi break down dead matter, recycling nutrients back into the soil. Did you know that a single tree can support hundreds of species? It's a bustling community. But here's the kicker: human activities are throwing this balance off. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change are not just buzzwords, they're real threats to our ecosystems. Protecting biodiversity isn't just about saving cute animals, it's about ensuring our own survival. Every action counts, from reducing waste to supporting conservation efforts. Let's be the caretakers of our planet. Ecology is a fascinating field with several branches, each exploring different aspects of our environment. For instance, population ecology studies how species interact and grow in their habitats, while community ecology dives into the relationships between various species in a shared ecosystem. Then there's ecosystem ecology, which looks at the flow of energy and nutrients through living and non-living components. And let's not forget about landscape ecology, focusing on how spatial patterns affect ecological processes. Each branch reveals the intricate web of life, helping us understand the delicate balance that sustains our planet. Isn't it amazing how interconnected everything is? Anatomy is like a complex puzzle where each piece plays a vital role in our body's function. Did you know the human body has 206 bones? That's right. These bones not only support us but also protect our organs. And speaking of organs, the heart beats about 100,000 times a day, pumping blood through a network of vessels that stretches over 60,000 miles. Our muscles, which make up nearly half our body weight, allow us to move, lift, and even smile. Every breath we take involves a delicate dance between the lungs and diaphragm. Isn't it fascinating how everything works together seamlessly? Understanding anatomy helps us appreciate the incredible machine that is our body.
Did you know that your body is like a complex orchestra, with each system playing its own unique part? Take the cardiovascular system, for example. It pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood daily, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell. Meanwhile, your nervous system acts like a lightning-fast communication network, sending signals at speeds up to 200 miles per hour. And let's not forget the muscular system, which not only helps us move, but also generates heat to keep us warm. Every breath you take is a dance of the respiratory system, exchanging carbon dioxide for oxygen in a matter of seconds. Our bodies are truly remarkable, working tirelessly to keep us alive and thriving.
Physiology is fascinating because it dives into how living organisms function. There are several branches worth exploring. First, we have cellular physiology, which examines the functions of cells. Think of it as the building blocks of life. Then there's systems physiology, focusing on how different systems like the cardiovascular or nervous systems work together to maintain homeostasis. Don't forget about exercise physiology, which studies how our bodies respond to physical activity. And let's not overlook neurophysiology, where we unravel the mysteries of the nervous system and brain. Each branch reveals the intricate dance of life, showing us just how interconnected we truly are.
Sa biochemistry, ang mga molekula ng buhay ay nagiging bida. Alam mo ba na ang DNA, na parang blueprint ng ating katawan ay binubuo ng mga nucleotide. Ang mga ito ay parang mga letra na bumubuo sa isang kwento ng ating pagkatao. Sa bawat pag-ikot ng Krebs cycle, ang ating mga selula ay kumukuha ng enerhiya mula sa pagkain, parang isang makina na walang tigil sa pagtatrabaho. At ang mga enzymes, sila ang mga superhero na nagpapabilis ng mga reaksyon ng walang pagod. Kaya sa bawat haplos ng ating balat, bawat tibok ng puso, ang biochemistry ang nagkukwento ng ating buhay.